Alright guys, Colin here with Techout with another office update. Made some big improvements since the last video where I showed you the TV and the TV stand and everything. Keep in mind, still a work in progress. I still have some areas to clean, but a lot of it is done. I've done the carpet over here. The machine did a pretty good job. There are still a couple of spots on it just from previous stuff that was there. And moving stuff around, some stuff with the carpet still being a little bit damp. I moved the TV stand from over here to over here, and the furniture sliders I bought were actually a little bit too small, so I put some padded envelopes under it, and they had like ink on them, so it left a blue streak across the floor under the leg of the stand, so I had to redo the carpet over here again to get that up. But I ordered a couch on Amazon, and that came in. So I actually only paid $180 for this little two-seater couch right here. And it's not the most comfortable thing, but for like my office, it looks pretty nice. And it's something that I'm just going to be sitting on to watch YouTube videos on my TV and play games and stuff like that. So it's not something, you know, that I wanted to spend a lot of money on, basically. So for $180, definitely worth it, definitely a great deal. It's got these little fold-up cup holders right here that work pretty well. So I guess if you wanted to, you could get 3 people on there. These little cushion things right here also removed. They just Velcro on there. Another cool thing about this is it does recline. It reclines and it folds down into a small little futon kind of thing. So again, not the most comfortable thing to like lay on. And it's not super big, it's not super long either, so if you're any longer than like 5'2", 5'3", 5'4", maybe, you're gonna stick off the end. But in a pinch, if you need like an extra bed or something like that, it will definitely work. Cool thing is, like I said, it reclines, so it just locks in place like that. It's got like a ratcheting thing, so it's kind of nice. You just fold it up and then back down, and you can lock it in place. So that is like recline mode. Again, not the most comfortable like position to sit in. I usually just leave it like that, and that's, you know, just fine for me. To sit there and watch YouTube or play a game on my Switch. I'm going to be hooking my Xbox up here as well. So that's that. I picked up this table from IKEA yesterday for $10. So can't beat that. Got a little side table for the couch. Over here's my desk area. This is the next area I'm working on. So this area is not complete right here, which is why you see all this over here. Gonna be cleaning that up. Got to do the carpet right there. I did do the carpet right here and under these mats already, so that is done. I did that last night and let it dry overnight before I put these back down, because I didn't want to do it in the middle of the day and then have this space, you know, basically unavailable while the carpet was drying from shampooing it. I think I'm going to move my setup right here over here and have a little bit bigger workspace. I try to film my videos on this desk right here because the white background looks really nice, and it makes the light look a little bit better. I may try to work out something else for filming though, since I have this other part of the room that's clean now. So I'm still working on some of those ideas. I have 2 more days off of work to do this, 3 including today. So I do have a little bit more time to work on it, but I think I am going to move my monitors and everything over here. I need to take that light down, but I actually plugged it in behind the desk over there. Stupid idea, because I can't get to it to unplug it without moving that desk over, and I have another drawer under there behind my computer that holds up the other end of the desk, so that was kind of a stupid idea. I want to find something with these cables. I did find a 4-power like little square outlet thing at IKEA yesterday. I wanted to pick up one of their USB clip-on ones, but unfortunately when I was running through the store I didn't see them, because it was the first time I've been to IKEA in a while, and it was kind of confusing on where everything was. But I found this light. I think this light was like $12. Cool thing was the LED bulbs for this light were $1 a piece, so I picked up a couple of those, and they're, as you can see, they're pretty bright. I have a hue bulb in this one over here, and it is basically just as bright, maybe a little bit brighter. But I think I'm actually going to take the hue bulb out of that light and put the other bulb in there. And just see if I can't get that light down. If I can take that light down, I'm going to use just this one because I like the white one better on the white desk. I've had that light for years, so it's something that I've had. But I do need to clean up this over here. Like I said, I kind of am working my way from this corner over here out towards, you know, the door and everything. So the servers and everything, I don't use those anymore, but it's not something that I really want to get rid of. So I'm going to find a space to keep those that's out of the way and not really visible. This space over here, I kind of want to put one of my old desks. I did save those. I want to put one of those over there and maybe keep some of my repair stuff on them. I do have my microscope right here. I could use this desk, but I don't want to put it on there because that thing is extremely heavy and I don't want it to start bending the desk. I would rather put that on my old desk in case something does happen. It hasn't bent that one yet, and it's been on there before, so it should be okay, but you know, just stuff like that. I want to get rid of this right here. It's just old and I don't keep anything in it but junk, so I need to clean that out. So that's going to hopefully be going away soon. This one I need to clean out and I'm going to use, and I have two more smaller ones that I'm going to put over here. So I'm going to make this like storage right here. And then like I said, I've got the TV and everything right here. I'm going to move these computers and put my Xbox down there. I'm going to leave these computers in here just because they look nice and they're behind the glass and stuff like that. Those are kind of just piled up there. Everything else though, this stuff right here, I'm probably going to leave that there and just store that there for now, that computer. I actually really like that computer. It still works and everything. So it's something I want to keep. This right here I need to clean up. I've got my boxes and everything up there. They're somewhat organized. But this right here has been kind of a dumping ground for stuff that I still use but don't use that often while I've been cleaning up, as well as down here. I can get rid of that printer. That MacBook I can probably, I'm going to keep that because it's a 2009, so it's not old enough to be thrown away, but not, you know, it's still new enough to where I don't want to, you know, do anything with it right now. And then these right here, those are just sitting there. Those are for my lights, which are in the other room. So I will be doing some stuff with those. I'm probably going to start using those lights again in the new setup somehow. But this is how it's looking right now. I'm really happy with it, and I'm going to start working on this right now. So this is update number 2. Update number 3 I'll probably do tomorrow or Saturday, and that's going to be showing you what I've done over here. And then after that, I will do a full tour of the whole room. I know I kind of just did that here, but like I said, not everything is done. There's still going to be some stuff that changes, so I will do a full tour of the whole room when I am completely done. Again, this was filmed on my GoPro, so if anything was kind of weird, if it was kind of shaky, or if the sound quality wasn't as best, I wasn't using my regular camera because that is too hard to carry around. I've got the light on top of it, and the battery for the light doesn't work, so I do have to plug that in. So I've been using my GoPro for the walking around the room shots. As always, I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.